So excited to share that I have reached over 100 subscribers. Yay! Let's celebrate. This video is a celebration to recognize all of the support from every single person who has taken time to watch my videos, to like my videos, and to subscribe to my channel. I would not be here if there wasn't the tremendous support that I have received in pursuing my dream. When I think about all the content that's available across different platforms, I feel truly honored that you're taking time to watch my videos. When I think about, what is my vision for the world, I want people to wake up, literally and figuratively, every morning and feel engaged with life, feel inspired, feel that they're doing work that matters, feel that they're taking steps towards pursuing their dreams. So the second reason I wanted to create this video, besides extending a heartfelt thank you, is to pose 3 questions if you have a dream and you would like to pursue it. So let's dive in. Question number 1. If you do not pursue your dream, will you have major regrets? Let me share a portion of the book, The Top 5 Regrets of the Dying, written by Bronnie Ware. So Bronnie worked in palliative care. She sat next to individuals on their deathbed. So this is what Bronnie learned. I wish I'd had the courage to live a life true to myself, not the life others expected of me. Bronnie goes on to say, when people realize that their life is almost over and look back clearly on it, it is easy to see how many dreams have gone unfulfilled. Most people had not honored even half of their dreams, and they had died knowing that it was due to choices they had made or not made. It is very important to try and honor at least some of your dreams along the way. Quite powerful. And for myself, I had a dream for years to start a YouTube channel. I realized if I don't get started, I may never launch my YouTube channel. People could stop watching YouTube years from now. Maybe YouTube won't even exist. So I think for me, this was a question that really helped propel me to take action. And what I would say, however, is that it was overwhelming. Most dreams are. I was thinking, I'm not an expert in filming and editing and lighting and sound and thumbnails. I decided to build a team. And I asked myself the second question, did I want to become an expert in everything that's required to build a YouTube channel? Or did I want to outsource and hire people who could help me? And I chose the latter because for me, my passions lie in thinking about ideas for videos. I have a huge, long list, like never ending. It's so exciting for me to think about new topics to discuss. I have passion for doing research for each video. I'm learning to enjoy being in front of the camera more. I hope at some point I have a passion for speaking in front of the camera. It doesn't quite come naturally. But what I did is I hired Miriam. She's behind the camera. Hey, Miriam. I actually posted an ad on Craigslist and Miriam responded. So grateful to have her as part of my team. Prior to Miriam, I worked with 2 other videographers, Spencer and Chris. If you're watching, thank you, thank you. You helped me get my YouTube channel off the ground. I also work with a friend named Bill Benoist. He has a YouTube channel as well. I'll include a link below. Check out his channel. Bill helps with SEO, Google Ads. He works with a woman in the Philippines who creates the thumbnails. Her name is Angel. Thank you, Angel. I also have some additional help from a woman I met in India, found her on Upwork, and she has created my banner and taken on other duties. So thank you, Vashali, for your help as well. What I would consider if you want to become an expert. First of all, you can learn anything. The internet is amazing. There's all the information available. You can read a book, you can find a mentor. But I think there needs to be 3 things in place. Number 1, you have to have the time to learn whatever it is you need to learn to pursue your dream. You need to have the drive and you need to have the passion. So that's something to consider. Then if you want to outsource, think about, do you have the money? And I realize not everyone has the money, so you can get creative and consider doing trades. So for example, you may know someone who's an amazing website designer. You're a marketing guru. Could you trade services and really support one another's dreams? And the reason this question was so important to address in this video is because I can't tell you how many people I've met who share their dreams, followed by about 10 buts. But I don't have the right degree. But I don't have the right connections. But I don't have the right skill set. But. And if you are plagued with buts, you will never, ever get started. So figure out what you need to do, whether it's learn something new, become an expert, or find the right talent who can help you pursue your dreams. Then the third question I want to pose to you is, how do you stay committed to your dreams? You know, it's one thing to have your head in the clouds and think, oh, dream big, and oh, pursue your dreams and go big, dream big. And I love all these inspirational sayings. However, at some point you need your feet firmly planted on the ground, and you need to have a concrete action plan in place. So I'll share a story I heard of a fellow YouTuber. His name is Alex Lyons. He is a communications coach as well as a communications professor. And so when Alex reached 100 subscribers at the end of 6 months, he made a commitment to upload one new video per week for the next 5 years. And Alex said, even if I only reach 500 subscribers by the end of that 5 years, that's a success. Well, fast forward 7 years since the launch of Alex's YouTube channel, he has reached over 500,000 subscribers. This is amazing. There's been steady growth over the first 6 months. I think Alex's story is rare. How many people are in it for the long haul? And they're saying, this dream means so much to me. Integrity to myself means so much to me that I am going to be consistent. And so I encourage you, if you have a dream, what are you going to do every single day? You know, I think about a client I'm working with right now who has a dream of writing a book. She has made a commitment to consistently write. She has joined a writing group that's helping her stay accountable, and it's helping provide feedback to her so she can become a better writer. I'm going to close and again say thank you. I don't know where my YouTube channel will take me. What I do know is I have peace because I have pursued one of my dreams and I will not have regrets towards the end of my life. And I also know that I want to be of service to people, and that is the goal of this channel. So if you have a dream, and I think you do, I would love to know, what is your dream and what is the action you are going to take? Comment below. Know that you will inspire others to start pursuing their dream. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Take care.